A for ambition. B for brave. C for challenge. D for dream. E for efforts. F for focus. G for goal. H for honesty. I for ఏంటమ్మా innovation. J for justice. K for knowledge. L for ఏంటమ్మా learning. M for motivation. N for ఏంటమ్మా నా వైపు చూసి చెప్పు నోబెల్. O for overcome. P for ఏంటమ్మా passion. Q for question. R for ఏంటమ్మా risk. S for ఎలా ఏంటమ్మా సక్సెస్. T for thoughts. U for unique. V for vision. W for willpower. Y for yearn. Z for zeal.